Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view storage data on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Data and Storage. Under Disk and Network Usage section, tap on Storage Usage. Under Device Storage section, you can see how much data Telegram app has stored on your device. This is how you can view storage data on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.